Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use the timeline in InShot so you can edit your videos more precisely. When you open a project in InShot, you'll notice the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your clips, audio, stickers, text, and effects are layered and arranged. To start, tap on a video clip in the timeline. You can drag the edges left or right to trim or extend it. This helps you control exactly when the clip starts and ends. If you want to reorder clips, just tap and hold on one, then drag it to a new position on the timeline. The timeline also has multiple layers. For example, if you add text, stickers, or music, they will appear as separate tracks below your video. You can drag and adjust them so they line up with the right moment in your video. You can also zoom in or out on the timeline by pinching with 2 fingers. Zooming in gives you more precision, while zooming out helps you see the whole project. Another tap on the scissors icon to split a clip at the playhead. This makes it easier to cut out unwanted parts or insert transitions. Finally, remember that you can adjust effects filters and speed changes directly from the timeline by tapping the corresponding clip and choosing the edit tools. And that's it. The timeline in InShot is the heart of your editing process. It's letting you control every detail of your project. For more tutorials just like this one, stay tuned.